Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve permissions on TikTok app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok. After that you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and here you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.